Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to pop in real quick and do an update on the KISS nails, dip powder nails that I did. Actually today would make a week and a day ago that I did it. So I promised that I would pop back in and let you know how they're doing. They are still holding strong. Yes, for $9.50. Let me show you. And they've even grown a little. So let me let you see. They still look really nice. Yes, honey, yes. So if you guys have not tried the KISS nails, you know, try them. Hey, I'm not sponsored. I'm not anything. I just decided that I want to try them out for myself and do my own nails because I just feel like the nail shops have just gotten really ridiculous with prices. So I thought I saw it, popped in and got it and did it, and they look amazing. So, and they're still holding strong. They've actually grown. I have a little bit of grow out. I don't know if I can get that close in the camera to let you see, but yeah, it's a little bit of grow out. I don't know if in my camera I have a little bit. So yeah, but they're still holding strong. So yeah, if you haven't tried them, go pick you up some, and please comment in the comments and let me know. I had a few ladies say they were going to try it, and in these dire times that we're in, we're at home quarantining, and this is the perfect time to just practice with it if you don't do anything else. And for $9.50, it's better than $40 or $50, you know. So so yeah, take your time. Remember, thin coats. Take your time and you can do it. Be sure to come back and let me know down in the descriptions if you tried it, okay? I would love to know what your experience was. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 100 subs. I'm almost there. And if you can help me do that, I really appreciate it. So please subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in my next video.